Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, September 15th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, French toast. For lunch, pizza pocket. Tomorrow for breakfast, breakfast pizza. And for lunch, sloppy joe. Teachers, attendance. Please continue to post attendance in Schoology. We are almost to having 100% of our teachers that can post attendance. And most of us are posting by 9 o'clock, which is fantastic. So please remember to continue posting your attendance in Schoology because we need that record. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than when you're eating. Students, the mask is part of your uniform. You must bring one with you each day to school. Make sure you have one when you leave the house. Today's late duty is Miss Heichman. Tomorrow's late duty is going to be done by Miss Lee. And Friday's late duty is Miss Shaver. Important dates coming up. September 17th is our deadline for the iReady math and reading diagnostics. September 21st, we're going to have a blood drive on campus. September 22nd, we have PST meetings. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is teacher work day, so no school for students. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. School fundraiser. We are still collecting envelopes for the school fundraiser. We are still waiting on our extra prizes to come in because we had so many people participating. We ran out, but those should be on their way shortly, and you will be getting your prize very soon. Thank you, students, for being so patient and waiting on those. You will get one soon. The word of the day is difference. The difference is the amount that remains after one quantity is subtracted from another. So if you have the problem 289 minus 146, the difference between those two amounts is 143. That's how much is left over after you subtract. That is the difference. Shout out this morning. Shout out to Miss Arch, Miss Battaglia, Miss Hamlin, and Miss Thoman. These are all recognized by Miss Smith in the library for having your AR goals set and your students working towards those AR goals and getting those AR points. I know Miss Smith has mentioned that she has already been getting lots of book requests and been able to pass out lots of books library books to students around the school, and she is very excited about that. So keep the requests coming and keep earning those AR points. Awesome job, teachers and students. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.